Two patients, including a pregnant mother, died at RIMS Imphal within 24 hours, sparking allegations of medical negligence. The deceased woman has been identified as Chingsubam Ongbi Nongthombam Manju, 36, wife of Chingsubam Niran of Lilong Chajing Mamang Lekai, Imphal West. Manju was admitted at RIMS on September 16. According to Niran, his wife Manju delivered a baby girl around 1 p.m. yesterday, following which she was taken out of the operation theater around 2:30 p.m. and even breastfed her newborn baby without any complaints. Continuing that his wife experienced complications later, including vomiting of blood, Niran asserted that she was taken to the operation theater around 5:30 p.m. for another surgery, and he was informed about her passing at the wee hours. Following the incident, Manju's family protested, alleging negligence, and vandalized the RIMS medical superintendent's office and even physically assaulted Manju's consultant, Dr. Pritam. Dr. Pritam is currently being treated in the RIMS ICU, while Manju's family has refused to claim her body, demanding an apology from Dr. Pritam and cancellation of his license. Manju's maternal mother, Nongthombam Shama, urged the authorities to look into the matter and deliver justice.
Operation operation when Dr. Namchina, the Ilo, I use actually when I'm passing room, Yam Hadula, when that Magadi from the sound